Guys, there's a massive wealth shift taking place as we speak with AI and ChatGPT. In fact, Forbes says that the AI marketplace is set to hit $503 billion by the year 2025, essentially making right now the brand new online AI gold rush. And it's actually rather funny because the average person is still unaware of the effects and the use cases of AI. But understand, once people actually start catching on to this whole AI thing, everybody's going to start to pile in on it, and it's already going to be too late. And that's why in this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to utilize AI in combination with Instagram to actually clock in over $10,000 a month. And using this exact same method, I've taught other people how to do the exact same thing with ChatGPT, Instagram, and a little bit of their own skills. And now they're able to clock in $5,000, $10,000, and even $18,000 every single month using this one method. So that's why in this video, I'm going to be breaking down step by step exactly how this method works and exactly how others have used it and how you can use it to make over $10,000 every single month. And of course, I feel obligated to say it, but this is not going to be some automated stock trading stuff or some automated dropshipping store or something like that. It's actually completely different, and it's probably not what you think. So guys, here is exactly how it works. So here's how Instagram comes into the picture. Now, a lot of people think that Instagram is just a place where people can just upload selfies or what they're doing or what they're eating for breakfast or something. But realistically, Instagram has a huge potential for business. And this is exactly why you see almost every single business has an Instagram account. And this method that I'm about to show you essentially revolves around finding these businesses on Instagram and selling more of their products for them, making them money so that you can make money as well. And how we make money with these businesses isn't something like some social media marketing agency. It's just one skill that you can learn in the matter of a couple of hours, and then you can market this skill to other businesses, make them some more money, and of course, you're gonna earn a commission off of it. And the best part is that this skill does not require a degree or any previous knowledge. Guys, I was literally just a carpenter and in the military from 18, 19, 20, and 21, yet I was still able to do this with no prior experience or skills. Essentially, this one skill requires that you write persuasive words that have the ability to make people take action. And of course, this is known as copywriting. And if you're unaware, copywriting is literally everywhere. It's on every single website that you see, even Apple's website. It's on YouTube everywhere, even Mr. Beast's videos. Everywhere you look, everywhere you go, everything you buy has some sort of copywriting element to it. And now the reason why you can make so much money with copywriting is because the words and the ads that these businesses use are of course created by copywriters. And these copywriters can be the difference between a business making tens of thousands of dollars or losing tens of thousands of dollars. And if you can come into a business and make them an extra $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 every single month, then there's no reason as to why you couldn't earn around $2,000, $3,000, or $4,000 a month from that one single client. And perhaps the other best part about this whole thing is you don't have to be the one running ads. You don't have to be the one dealing with a whole bunch of dozens and dozens of clients. All you need to do is show up, write the copy, and get paid. And now, while look, typically you would have to spend hours and hours and hours actually writing these emails or writing these ads, but now with the new development of ChatGPT and AI, you are able to write better copy in half of the time. You see, the funny thing is that back when I became a copywriter, there was no ChatGPT. But now that ChatGPT is out, copywriting is a much easier skill to grasp. The reason being is because you can use ChatGPT combined with your copywriting to actually write much better and make these companies more money. All it really comes down to is finding these businesses, outreaching to these businesses, offering your copywriting services, and that's it. That's literally how you do it. That's how you get paid. And I know that it sounds crazy, but trust me, people are doing this every single day and making thousands and thousands of dollars every single month. And to get started, all you really need to do is start contacting these business owners. You can do this one of two main ways. First of all, you can email them. So you can email them an outreach email, essentially telling them what you do, how you can do it for them, and how you can make more money. Or you can do the same thing, but on Instagram through their DMs. Now, the reason why I recommend Instagram much more than email is because, first of all, a lot of people check their Instagram DMs a lot more often than they're going to check their email. I mean, an email is just way too easy to ignore. And when you're chatting with a business owner over Instagram, it's much more conversational. If you're trying to message them over email, there's these big, long emails and you're not actually chatting. It's more of you send them an email, a couple hours later, they send you an email, and it's just not as efficient as doing it in the DMs. And believe it or not, a lot of these business owners are not going to be scared to pay you a couple $1,000s a month. And I know it sounds really crazy. Why would somebody pay me a couple $1,000s a month just to write for them? Well, like I said, you're making them tens of thousands of dollars every single month, And these business owners usually make upwards of $100,000 every single month. So them paying you $2,000, $3,000, or $4,000 every single month, they're not even gonna look and see the difference in their bank balance. You're not even gonna notice that money is gone. But even more than that, guys, business owners have so much money. Trust me when I tell you that they value time so much more than money. And by you coming to them and offering your copywriting services, you're saving them time, because now they don't have to do the copywriting themselves, and they don't have to waste time going out and looking for copywriters and interviewing a bunch. If you show up and your copywriting is good with ChatGPT, like I'm about to show you, then you can get hired by any business. And look, this copywriting makes such a difference to these businesses. Let me tell you, I've literally written emails for companies that they've sent out, booked a bunch of calls with, and sold over $10,000 worth of their product and service. And then about a month or two later, they send out the exact same email and make another few $1,000s from that one email, you guys. This is exactly why you can charge upwards of $200 and $300 just for email copywriting. And the crazy part is you do not even have to be that good at copywriting. Yes, you need to know what copywriting is. You need to know the basics, the fundamentals. But after about 2 hours, 3 hours maybe of studying, and a little bit of studying with ChatGPT and knowing the right prompts, guys, you can write killer copywriting in just a few hours. And the crazy part about it all is that you really don't have to be a master copywriter. You used to have to study for months and months and months and get your copy reviewed by a bunch of mentors. Now, with the right prompts and ChatGPT, you can combine copywriting, Instagram for outreach, and AI to make everything more efficient so that you can start making money with copywriting in the first 30 to 60 days. And now look, I feel like I do need to note that you can't just go into ChatGPT and say, hey ChatGPT, write me an email that's gonna sell a bunch of my products. Your prompts have to be specifically engineered, and you are going to require at least a little bit of know-how around copywriting. But with that being said, copywriting by far is the most straightforward path. So now there's literally only one thing actually stopping you from getting clients that are gonna pay you $2,000 to $4,000 every single month. And that is, you're gonna need to learn the specific strategies and messages that you should send to these companies, and you're gonna need to learn a little bit about copywriting. So to help you with that, I'm gonna put some free courses on screen now. One course about how you can get started with copywriting, how you can get started writing copy, and another course that's gonna show you the exact outreach methods that I use with and on Instagram. I'm literally going to walk you through how I have closed clients before in the past. Anyways, guys, that's it for now. And of course, I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.